we just kakatapos lang nung briefing ng ating NDRMC tungkol unang-una sa response natin sa Typhoon Tino. Mabigat talaga ang pagkatama sa Cebu. Actually, Region 6, 7, 8, Mimaropa, umabot sa Negros Island region. Kasi dahil tumawid ang Tino and the damage is heavy. And so we are doing our usual relief and support activities para lahat ng mga na-displaced, lahat ng naging biktima ay matutulungan natin ng pamahalaan together with national government, together with the first responders, of course, the LGUs. Maayos naman. The only problem is that napakalakas ng Tino. Unfortunately, meron tayong inaabangan na parating na may potensyal na maging mas malakas pa. Itong natin napangalanan na One. And so we are also preparing for that. Yung pinakamalaking problema na nakita namin is that yung yung lahat ng personnel natin nandun ngayon sa Visayas para asikasuhin nga ang relief and support ng pamahalaan doon, ay kailangan na natin pag-isipan kung ilan doon, kung sino doon ang pwede nang dalhin para paghandaan na yung uwan, which is going to hit central and northern Luzon. Mukhang ang landfall sa Cagayan na naman. We will already be feeling the effects, yung ulan and some winds, siguro by Sunday morning. Kaya yun ang aming binabalanse kung siyempre hindi namin iiwanan ng Cebu hanggat lahat na ay in place na, the same thing, but we will do as much as we can to anticipate. Dahil marami tayong, if we anticipate well and we prepare well, marami tayong nagagawa para medyo mas mabawasan ang effect. Pero napakabigat nung nangyari ng Tino. Unfortunately, the casualty count is very high. Madami tayong deaths that we have suffered. And I do not want to give a number because we are still in the process of validating all the numbers about the damages, etc., the number of people who have been displaced, the number of families that are under evacuation centers, those that have been displaced na umuwi sa kanilang mga kamag-anak, sa mga kaibigan.